A few weeks ago, I shared with you why I grow my money plant vertically like this. And one of the reasons was that if there is a branch which has dropped most of its leaves, this arrangement hides it. So today, let's try to find one of those branches and revive it. Already separated out one branch from this whole bunch just to show you, it has dropped most of its leaves. So we can cut it from the bottom and then try to revive it. Here you go. And then I'll unhook it from the top and then we'll make small cuttings. So before we make small cuttings, I want to explain how to cut it. So if you look at this branch, every 5 to 6 inches, you see a swelled up place, and that's called a node or a nub. And the leaves grow from this node, and potentially the roots grow from the same place. So we will create small cuttings which are about 6 to 7 inches long, and we will cut it below a node, and that node will go in the water, and then we will cut above the second node from where the leaves will grow. So that way we will create these small cuttings which have 2 nodes each. There is no hard and fast rule, but 2 nodes are sufficient. Let's make all the cuttings. I'm going to fill this up with water, this jar, and leave it here near this window, which is east facing window, and we don't get much sun these days because it's winter time, but that's fine. And I will give you an update in 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks and these cuttings have been sitting here in this jar near this window, and almost every cutting has roots. So if I take this one out, this one doesn't have any roots. And this one has roots, and all the others, they all have roots. So it's really easy to grow roots from these cuttings. If you wanted to grow them in water, you can leave them in water. They'll keep growing. They'll not grow too much, but it is good for small places like on your desk or some other corner table. If you wanted to grow them in soil, you can take a small planter, put general purpose potting soil mix in it, bury the roots, and it will be fine. If you want to grow an arrangement like this, you want to start planting the rooted cuttings like we just did and wait for them to grow longer and longer, and then transplant them into a big container like this so that slowly you can develop a piece like this. So I hope this video was useful to you. If you have any questions, leave me a comment and I'll try to answer as soon as possible. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you next time. Happy gardening. Bye.